Let us start the next exercise, that is fourth exercise. See the first question. Let a triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. So that is 64 centimeter square is for ABC and 121 centimeter square for DEF. If EF equal to 15.4 centimeter, find BC. We have to find. Okay. So already we proved the theorem. What is that? So the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the areas of their corresponding sides. Square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So it means what? Since triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Now what I can write? Area of this triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equals to ratio of their corresponding sides. Ratio of their corresponding sides, that is ABDE. AB divided by DE square is equal to BC by EF. BC divided by EF square is equals to AC by DF. AC divided by DF square. Okay. Now I will take EF and BC. So EF is given. Where is that? EF is given. BC I have to find. Take. So these two terms only I will consider. Now area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equals to DEF. Now this term only I will take. BC divided by EF whole square. Now substitute. Area of triangle ABC is how much? 64. Area of triangle DF 121. BC value we have to find it. Divided by EF, that is 15.4 whole square. And this I can write as 8 divided by 11 whole square. Okay. Now this is BC divided by 15.4 whole square. Both sides square will get cancelled. Remaining. So BC cross multiplication 8 into 15.4 divided by 11. 11 ones are 0.11 fours are 44 it is. BC is equals to 8 into 14. 32 carries 3. 8 plus 3 11. 11.2 it is centimeter, not meter it is. So the given in centimeter. So BC value is how much? It is 11.2 centimeter. Okay. So in this exercise we use only this condition. Okay. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. If AB equal to 2CD, find the ratio of areas of the triangles AOB and COD. So let us draw a trapezium with AB parallel to CD. They said it. So this is the trapezium ABCD. And the diagonals intersect with each other at the point O. So diagonals will intersect each other at the point O. So this is the point O. AB is equal to 2 into CD. This is one condition they have given. Find ratio of areas of the triangles AOB and COD. It means area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD I have to find. Okay. Now let us concentrate on these two triangles. So I have to prove these two triangles are similar. Then I can take that condition. What is that? Area of AOB divided by area of COD is equal to square of their ratio of square of their corresponding sides I can take. Okay. So now in these two triangles, in triangle AOB and triangle COD, these two angles are equal. AOB, angle AOB is equals to COD, because vertically opposite angles. Okay, so these two are vertically opposite angles because AB is parallel to CD. Here I can write AB parallel to CD. Since AB is parallel to CD, so these two will be vertically opposite angles. Next, another condition, another angle. I will take these two angles. These two are also equal because alternate interior angles. Angle OAB, OBA is equal to another angle is what? ODC, which is that alternate interior angles. Now by using AA similarity criterion, I can say that these two triangles are similar. Okay, or else you can take this angle also by using AAA or AA, no problem at all. So triangle, therefore triangle AOB similar to triangle. For angle A I must write C. For A I must write C. Then O. For O it is O only. Then for B it is D. Okay. These two triangles are similar by using what? AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. Next. If these two triangles are similar, then we know what is that? Ratio of area of triangle AOB and COD is equals to, I can write AO divided by CO whole square is equal to OB divided by OD whole square is equal to AB divided by CD whole square. But here I will take only AB and CD. What I can write here? AB divided by CD. AB divided by CD whole square. I don't want to take another two sides also. So because they given here AB by CD they are given. So by using this condition I can get this ratio. So this is equal to, now cross multiplication, AB divided by CD is nothing but what? It is 2. 2 divided by 1 or 2 square it is. 2 square or 2 divided by 1. So this is what? 4:1. Okay. So area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD is equals to 4:1 ratio. Is equal to 4:1. This is triangle I can write. Area of triangle. This is area of triangle. Okay, 4:1. Third question. In the following figure, ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. ABC and DBC. DBC. So this is what? ABC. This is the common base BC. Then DBC. Common base is again BC. So these two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersect BC, at O, show that area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to AO divided by DO. We have to prove this. So especially for this question, I have to draw the perpendicular in the triangle ABC. I have to draw the perpendicular to BC. So draw a perpendicular to BC. That I will take it as a AM. AM is the perpendicular to BC from the point A. And similarly, for this triangle, it is that BDC. For this triangle, I will draw a perpendicular from D. Okay, this is the perpendicular from D. Okay, so this is N. DN is a perpendicular. Okay, for the triangle BDC. Now, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC I need. So let us take LHS first. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equals to, for area of triangle ABC, 1 by 2 into base for ABC. Base is here BC. Height is here what? AM. Divided by, for triangle DBC. So here base is BC. 1 by 2 BC into height, that is what? DN. Okay, this is what? DN. Now 1 by 2 BC, 1 by 2 BC get cancelled. That is equals to AM divided by DN. Okay, this I'll take as equation number 1. So AM divided by DN I got HL. Now in place of AM by DN, I need AO divided by DO. AO divided by DO. See here, consider the triangle AMO and DNO. Can I say these two triangles are similar? Which is that AMO here is 90 degree. Okay. DNO here is also 90. 90, one angle equal. Then these two are vertically opposite angles. Again I got another one angle are equal. So therefore triangle AMO similar to DNO I can write. In triangle, this is that AMO and another triangle DNO. So what I can write, AMO is equal to 90 degree. Angle AMO is equal to angle DNO. DNO is equals to 90 degree. Okay. So because I drawn AM and DN perpendicular to BC. First I have to mention it here. So here starting only I have to write. Here I'll write it. Draw AM and DN perpendicular to BC. Okay. So initially I drawn it. AC and AM and DN perpendicular to BC. So this is 90 degree. One angle I got. Then these two angles are also equal. That is AOM. Angle AOM is equals to DON because vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles. Now by using AA similarity criterion, I can write triangle AMO similar to triangle. For A, which is angle D. For angle M, that is 90, that is N. So for O, it is ON because AA similarity criterion. Now, if two triangles are similar, then automatically I can write corresponding sides are in same ratio. So in place of AM by DN, I want AO by DO. So here I can get AO by DO. How? AM divided by DN is equals to AO divided by DO. AO divided by DO is equals to MO divided by NO. So no need of write it because I want this only. Now this is equation 2. I have to give the reason. What is that? Corresponding sides of similar triangles. To write it in words. What is that? Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now from these two equations, from 1 and 2, what I can write? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equals to AM by DN. Where is that? No. AM by DN. What is? AM by DN is nothing but AO divided by DO. AO divided by DO. Okay. Answer. We got it. AO by DO. Next, fourth one. If the areas of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. So if the areas of two similar triangles, they are equal, we have to prove that those two triangles are congruent. So let us take two triangles, ABC and PQR. ABC, another triangle PQR. PQR. So these two are similar triangles. Given that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, if and now areas of these two similar triangles are equal, it means area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. They given this. Okay, but we know that if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So now here area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, area of triangle PQR is equals to AB divided by PQ whole square is equals to BC divided by QR whole square is equal to AC divided by PR. AC divided by PR. Okay. Now you use this condition here. What you'll get? So you can take in place of ABC, you can take PQR. PQR will get cancelled. So left side will get it as 1. So that is AB divided by PQ whole square is equal to BC divided by QR whole square is equal to AC divided by PR whole square. If this is equal to 1, then these two must be equal. Then only I can get this as 1. So this implies AB is equal to PQ, comma. Again, this is equal to 1. It means BC is equal to QR and AC is equal to PR. AC is equal to PR. Now AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, then AC is equal to PR. Corresponding sides of two triangles are equal, then by using SSS congruence criterion, I can say that these two triangles are congruent. So that is what triangle. Therefore triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR, because SSS congruence here, not similar, congruence criterion. Okay.